Page number 5. Despite this, internal problems arise from stopping marriage behavior in the external community, whose solution is not simple. Broadly, all classes have the same male-male number, and also have equal in men and women of the same age. But society does not consider them equal. At the same time, the community that creates caste structure, female-male equality, is the ultimate goal. Without this, a homogeneous marriage practice cannot be successful. This fact can also be said in such a way that if a homogeneous marriage system is to be maintained, then the law of married rights will have to be kept in the internal point of view. Otherwise, the people of the society will be out of the realm. If married rights are given in the internal point of view, then it will be necessary to keep the male-male number the same for the success of caste structure. Huge number of disparity between the two will cause homogeneous marriage practice. To solve the problem of castes, the inequality of marriageable men and women will have to be stopped. Nature can help in this only when the husband dies with a wife or wife with a husband. Only this can maintain this balance. This is impossible. In fact, the wife survives when the husband dies, and the husband survives when the wife dies. In this way, these survived women and men will have to arrange. Otherwise, it may happen that a remaining man or female can marry outside the caste and disintegrate the net of caste and system. If they are allowed to remain independent, and there is no rule to make them a new couple, then additional men and women will remain. In this way, it is very possible that they cross the boundaries and get married outside and take the alien people in the caste. Now we see what the class we have imagined above. What will these remaining women and men do? First, we take widow women. They can be arranged in two ways, so that homogeneous marriage practice remains. First, she should be burnt with her dead husband and get rid of him. This is an impractical way to reduce female-male differences. In some cases, it is possible. Not in some. As a result, not every woman can be placed hideout. Although this is an easy way, but a very bitter situation, in this way. If the widows could not be set up and they remain in the caste, then there is a diligent danger. She will marry out of her caste and will give a fanfare to the casteism, or kills the women of their caste who are married. This is how it is a threat. If she cannot be lit with her husband, then some arrangements will have to be made. The second resolve is to allow them to be widow forever. As far as the desired result is concerned, it is better to always keep it widow. Burning all three apprehensions, which the widow has to face, is destroyed. There will be no problem due to dying, and she will neither remarry outside caste nor in caste. But let him survive in a widow form. It is also better and practical than burning, where this is a relatively human practice. The possibility of remarriage is also averted. But with this, morality of that class cannot be established. There is no doubt that a woman survives in compulsory validity, but the whole life is deprived of her right to become someone's legitimate wife. This opens the way for immorality. But this is not a sad task. It can be brought in such a condition that there is no attraction left in it.